Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do some balloon smashes. I didn't do it for a long time, so I decided that I will do it today. And I have canvas here covered with white base already, and here I have this paper that I use for my cards, and I will dip my balloon first in my canvas and then on this paper to have some, maybe some nice greeting cards if I don't know, cut it, you know, and tape, glue it on some greeting cards. I'm using the same paints as I use for my flower dips, and I will use my pearl white and metallic gold to see how these paints reacts in balloon smashes. So this is permanent blue violet, and I will add a little of pearl white and some of this cardinal red, and quinacridone blue violet, and I have some iridescent violet blue, and now I will add a bit of metallic gold, not much, and opera rose. And I have this small balloon, and let's see what we will get. And obviously I have too much white on the surface, obviously. I will just dip it again. Strange, so I will add more paint this time. And maybe I will not use gold. Definitely I need more paint, so as I said, I didn't do this for quite some time, and obviously I just did my white base, too much of my white base for this technique. Or my balloon is too small, maybe I will grab a little bigger one. See, my white just swallows all the paint because it's just too much paint on the surface, obviously, too much white. I will do a little different order this time. I have something in here, you see, a blob of paint. It's so weird. I used to do this with my gloves. Maybe this is the difference because I use balloon, not a glove. It's just about my mixture because back then when I did this balloon dips I didn't use this mixture of paint. I just used my acrylic primer. So I didn't mean to add this one. And I will just try to use my glove like I did a while back when I did my balloon dips. Oops. And you see, it's quite a difference. Wipe my glove again. You see how different gloves react. It's much different than a balloon. So different than a balloon, so obviously I should use the balloons, not gloves, not balloons, I should say. Totally different result. So maybe I should do one more and start with glove, not a balloon. But I will leave this one. I like it that way, I don't know why, but it's just like some kind of like this here. So I think that balloons are better for this technique on the dry surface, and for the wet surface I would suggest gloves, or maybe you get different results, I don't know. This is just my experiments and my mixture. You see, I see some of this pearl white here. I think that I didn't add it in all my puddles because I was confused with this reaction with the balloon, but I just want to show you these effects close up. It's just beautiful. This one is from the first try with the balloon, and it's not as beautiful as that one with glove. Whoops. Just love this effect. And you see this these ones are on the paper, and I think that I can do some cards out of it. I kind of like this one here, so I'm just sorry that I did this. Maybe I will just cut out but definitely I will try again, but just with gloves, not with a balloon. So I learned something again. I hope that you do too. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.